under the fire weather warning as well. We're going to keep a very close eye for us across the Treasure Coast and even across our inland communities for that fire threat as we head into the afternoon hours. We do have those really breezy conditions right now. These are sustained winds blowing constantly up to 22 miles per hour in southern Palm Beach County, Fort Pierce, and Vero Beach as well. Very blustery outside. And even the wind gusts picking up to 23 in Port St. Lucie, 24 in West Palm, and very windy conditions in northern Palm Beach County. Now, the winds will stay really windy today, pretty strong, up to 25 miles per hour, strong wind gusts close to the 30s. And we'll see those winds slowly dying down over the weekend, only up to 20 miles per hour, then up to 15 miles per hour on your Sunday, less wind on Monday. Temperatures, though, pretty warm compared to yesterday. In the upper 60s, lower 70s, Hobe Sound 70 degrees. Northern Palm Beach County, lower 70s, a little bit milder down south in Boca, 73 degrees. 12-hour forecast, we'll see those temperatures climbing back up into the upper 70s, close to 80 degrees, near average highs. We'll see a lot of sunshine and hardly any rain, just very windy conditions today out of the east and northeast today. Now, rain chances will be increasing on Saturday and Sunday. Higher rain chances, especially on Sunday afternoon, and a couple morning showers as well. So here's a timeline. This is on Saturday. We'll see the nice ocean breeze. We'll see a couple coastal showers in the morning and then all pushing inland by 4 o'clock in the afternoon. Then on Sunday, we'll see more coastal showers moving on shore between 5 and 9 o'clock in the morning, and then some inland showers and storms between 2:30 and 6 o'clock in the evening. So just keep in mind those rain chances will be increasing for the next couple of days. Out in the waters, a small craft advisory. We do have those seas growing up to 5 feet already, so try to use caution. Your 7-day forecast, high rain chances tomorrow into your Sunday, and temperatures getting hotter, 88 to 89 degrees next week on Monday and Tuesday with the winds out of the southeast. We'll see some lingering rains and